Hi friends, today we are going to discuss installation qualification of Cleanroom. I promise this video is very interesting, so don't skip the video, watch until the end. If you are first time here, please subscribe our channel. Welcome to PHARING, a channel of pharmaceuticals. I am your Shaktivel. Installation qualification. It is a documented evidence used to ensure the complete installation of Cleanroom and its integrated system. This installation qualification confirms that the Cleanroom and its system are properly installed as per GMP requirement and manufacturer recommendation. What is the workflow of installation qualification? The first one, URS, designing qualification, SLIA, FAT and SAT, and the final one, installation qualification. The first one, URS. We know URS means user requirement specification. It is one of the document involved in installation qualification used to list out the user requirement and expectation for the clean room and system. This URS was prepared based on the critical parameters and integrated equipments. Normally, URS was prepared by the user department along with some other department like QA, production, validation team, engineering team, and etc. What are the things should be mentioned in URS? Required clean room class, parameters of temperature, RH and relative humidity, pressure requirement, HVAC expectation, GMP compliance requirement, and materials of construction, etc. Now let us see this with a simple example. Please consider we want one clean room with the ISO class 7. So what are the parameters I need to mention in the URS? Clean room class ISO class 7. Temperature 22 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity 55 plus or minus 5%. Differential pressure 15 Pascal with H14 grade HEPA filter. Air changes 40 AC pH. Flooring epoxy. Compliance as per EU GMP. Likewise, we need to mention all our user requirement and expectation in the URS document. The next one, SLIA, System Level Impact Assessment. It is a documented process used to evaluate the product quality and patient safety via new equipment, clean room integration, utilities, and other processing system. Based on the SLA, there are two types is there, direct impact and indirect impact. So what are the things directly or indirectly affect the product quality? Here let me see some examples. HVAC system, direct impact. DP, temperature, humidity, direct impact. Lighting system, indirect impact. So SLA is the risk based assessment that identifies GMP critical system and determines the extent of qualification and validation requirement. The next step, FAT and SAT, factory acceptance test and site acceptance test. FAT is a documented inspection and testing activity performed at a manufacturer site or vendor site. What are the things they should be verified? The equipment should be meet the URS or not. The equipment installed correctly or not. Likewise, they check each and every parameters of the equipment or facility. So, what is the meaning of SAT, site acceptance test? It is a documented testing and verification performed after the equipment is delivered and installed at a customer site or company. In SAT also they verify the same parameters. In simply, how can we say FAT is performed at vendor site before shipment. SAT is performed at customer site after equipment installation. So the last process, installation qualification. What are the main objectives of IQ? The clean room is built as per approval drawing and specification. Equipment and utilities are correctly installed. Materials of construction meets the requirement. Environmental control system are properly integrated. These are all the parameters we need to ensure in the installation qualification. Now let us see some examples. What are the requirements for clean room construction as per the EU GMP guideline? Surface of clean room should be smooth, impervious and unbroken. Door should be designed to avoid recesses that cannot be cleaned. Ceiling should be designed and sealed to prevent contamination. Sink and drain should be prohibited in grade A and grade B areas. Airlock should be designed and used to provide physical separation and minimize the microbial and particle contamination of two different areas. Likewise, so many things point out in GMP guidelines. What are the things need to evaluate during installation qualification? The first one, layout verification. Architectural drawing, HVAC drawing, electrical drawing, clean room class drawing. Utility verification. electrical supply, compressed air, nitrogen air, and vacuum system verification, water system installation, streamline installation. The next one, monitoring device, differential pressure gauge, temperature, humidity, and particle sensors, alarm systems. Next one, verification of equipment installation, sterilizers, isolator, wraps, SS reactors, sampling booth, movable labs, laminar airflow unit, filling accessories, etc. The last important one, emergency system, earthing and grounding of each and every equipment, emergency switches, fire safety system, emergency exit, and interlocks. These all parameters must and should meet the user requirement specification. Otherwise, incident should be raised. After completion of deviation and CAPA training, re-verification will be conducted to ensure compliance with acceptance criteria. So this is a simple overview of installation qualification. I hope you all understood about that. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for future videos. Bye.